children, today we will read a book about nature. Why should I protect nature? Nature is the big wild world all around us, from giant oak trees to little acorns and wiggling worms. The birds chirping in the trees are part of nature, so is the salty smell of the sea. Splashing in rain puddles and the soft fur on a donkey's nose. I used to find nature boring or pesky.
Shoo.
Or creepy.
Yuck.
Then our class went on a trip. On our trip, we went to the sea and looked in rock pools. It was great. On the way home, we had a picnic in a wood.
So much fun.
Everyone got a bit rowdy. Cray and Marina broke some branches. I threw my drinks can. John picked some flowers. And Sally tried to swat a bee. Our teacher, Miss Wade, said we should protect nature, not hurt it.
But why should we protect nature?
She said, what do you think would happen if everyone broke off branches?
We couldn't climb trees.
The trees would have no leaves left and they couldn't grow properly. Birds couldn't nest in their branches.
Save our trees.
More trees!
Leave our trees.
Save our trees! Trees, trees, trees! And guess what would happen if we all picked flowers and swatted bees? There would be no flowers left.
No flowers?
And wouldn't have honey for breakfast.
No honey?
And what would happen if we all dropped litter whenever we liked?
What?
The countryside would be knee-deep in paper, plastic and tin cans.
Oh, that's horrible.
That's horrible. Birds and animals could choke or get trapped in litter and die.
Oh, poor animals.
That's not nice.
No trees.
No flowers.
No honey.
No animals.
That would be terrible.
So terrible and so sad.
So, how can we help nature instead?
I will tell you. Instead of picking flowers, we could sow wildflowers in a corner of the garden.
Oh.
Yeah, we can do that. Butterflies and bees love flowers, so they will visit too.
Oh, that's good.
We could plant a tree instead of breaking branches.
Oh, yeah.
Clearing up litter keeps nature looking lovely and helps animals and birds.
Oh, that's true.
Now we have fun looking after nature. After all, people are part of nature too, right?
Yeah, that's right.